Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to BT Mail. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for www.bt.com. So now we are in BT Mail interface. Now click on My BT over here and we can see login sign up options. If you get into login, here we need to enter our BT ID. Now enter your password. Now if you want this password to be shown, you can simply tap on this show button, and if you have forgotten your login details like BT ID and password, simply tap on this. And if you want yourself to be logged in, simply click on remember me. After you are done, simply click on this login to my BT to get into BT interface. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.